Hello guys, on behalf of IT World with Hansi, and I welcome you to this session DBMS question. If you are new here, please subscribe my channel. I'll start the session by talking about the top general DBMS question. Question 1. What is the difference between DBMS and RDBMS? DBMS, a database management system, is software designed to store, retrieve, define, and manage data in a database. RDBMS, a database management system that incorporates the relational data model, normally including a structured query language application programming interface. Question 2. Explain the terms database and DBMS. Also mention the different types of DBMS. A database is an organized collection of structured information or data, typically stored electronically in a computer system. A database is usually controlled by a database management system. Four types of database management system: relational database system, hierarchical database system, network database system, and object-oriented database system. Question number 3. What are the advantages of DBMS? Improved data sharing, improved data security, better data integration, minimize data inconsistency, improved data access, improved decision making, increase end user productivity. Question number 4. Mention the different languages present in DBMS. Data definition language, or DDL, consists of the commands that can be used to define the database schema. Data manipulation language, DML, a set of operations to support the fundamental data manipulation operations on the data held in the database. Data control language, DCL, consists of commands which deal with the rights, permission, and other control of the database system. Transaction control language, TCL, used to run the changes made by DML statement. It allows statement to be grouped into logical transaction. Question 5. What are the database management softwares? List of the top database management software: SolarWinds Database Performance Analyzer, DB Visualizer, Manage Engine Application Manager, Oracle RDBMS, IBM DB2, Microsoft SQL Server, SAP Database ASC, Teradata. Question number 6. Mention short description about MySQL DBMS. MySQL is free and open source. Its source code is available for use and is freely downloadable. It includes the MySQL Server, the world's most popular open source database, and MySQL Cluster, a real-time open source transaction database. Question number 7. Which type of database management is MySQL? Object-oriented, hierarchical, relational, network. Answer is C. Relational database. MySQL is an RDBMS, that is Relational Database Management System, and is open source and was developed in the year 1995. Question number 8. Which is the MySQL instance responsible for data processing? A. MySQL client, B. MySQL server, C. SQL server daemon program. Answer is B. MySQL server. MySQL uses client-server architecture. The MySQL server program runs on the machine where databases are stored. SQL is a query language used for querying the tables and information retrieval. Question number 9. What are the advantages of RDBMS? The data manipulation can be done. It limits redundancy and replication of the data. It offers better data integrity. It provides better physical data independency. Question number 10. How is communicated established with MySQL? A. SQL. B. Network calls. C. Programming language like C++. A. APIs. Answer is A. SQL. Explanation. SQL is the standard language for RDBMS systems like MySQL. SQL queries facilitate quick information retrieval from tables and other elementary operations required to maintain an RDBMS system. Question number 11. In MySQL databases, the structure represented in the organizational view of the entire database is A. Schema. B. View. C. Instance. D. Table. Answer is A. Schema. Explanation. Schema in a database gives a blueprint of the structure, a view and object that can be generated with a query. A table is a collection of records. An instance is analogous to a class object. Question number 12. What are the relationships used in RDBMS? One-to-one relationship, one-to-many or many-to-one relationship, many-to-many relationship. Question number 13. Which of the following is the correct order of these terms: tuple, relation, cardinality, attribute? Number A. Row, column, table, number of row. B. Column, row, table, number of row. Row, table, number of rows, column. Column, row, tables, number of row. Answer is C. Answer is the C. Question number 14. What are the different types of joins in SQLs? Inner joins, left join, right join, full join. What is the meaning of inner join? Creates the new table by combining rows that have matching values into or more tables. Left join, the SQL left join returns all rows from the left table even if they are not matching in the right table. Right join return all rows from the right table even if there are no matches in the left table. Full join. The SQL full join combines the result of both left and right outer joins. Next question 15. What are the commands enable SQL user to manipulate and modify data? Insert, delete, update, and select. The insert statement introduces new rows in an existing table, and delete state remove a row or combination of rows from a table. The update statement enables use to update a row or group of rows in a table, and the select statement select a row or combination of rows from the table. Next question number 16. The blank operation allows the combining of two relations by merging pairs of tuples, one from each relation, into a single tuple. A. Select. B. Intersection. C. Union. D. Join. Answer is D. Join. Explanation. Join. Find the common tuple in the relation and combines each. Question number 17. This is query displays only tuple from second part, only tuple from the first part which has the tuple from second part, tuple from both the part. D. Tuple from first part which do not have second part. Answer is D. Tuple from first part which do not have second part. Explanation: except keyword is used to ignore the values. Question number 18. The number of attributes in relation is called as it: A. Cardinality, B. Degree, C. Tuples, D. Entity. Answer is B. Degree. The blank clause allows us to select only those rows in the result relation of the blank clause that satisfy a specific predicate. A. Where from, B. From select, C. Select from, D. From where. Answer is A. Where from. Explanation: where select the rows on a particular condition. From gives the relation which involves the operation. Last question. For each attribute of a relation, there is set of permitted values called the blank that attribute. A. Domain, B. Relation, C. Set, D. Schema. Answer is A. Domain. Explanation: the value of the attribute should be present in the domain. Domain is a set of values permitted. Thank you all of you.